come on. I mean, what if there's snakes in the cabinets? Grizzlies under the bed.
Right. I love you. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. Piggy, eyes open.
Nothing touches her, boss.
All right, why don't you give me the night with Tara? I'll tell her what's going on. You guys can come up tomorrow.
Good.
Jim will be by later. Pick up the boys. I need you with me.
Where are we going?
Check on a sick friend.
Everything okay?
Yeah. I was wondering if you could watch the boys while Jax and I are at the cabin.
Alita's mom is sick again.